Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today it's me and David. I got some really exciting news. I know I haven't really talked to you guys in a few weeks, but for those followers that have been following the Corvette, you know that it is getting a forged bottom end. That should be kind of finished up early next week. But while the car is apart, I did go ahead and buy a McLeod RST clutch, as you can see here. We are delivering it to the guy who works on my car, so I figured I'd carry you guys along, give you guys an update on the car. So without further ado, let's hop in the car and take it. Alright guys, so we're here at Adam's at Aquadale Speedshop. Again, if you haven't already checked out his Facebook page, check it out. I'll put the link in the description. But we are here. I'm about to pull the cover off of this and kind of check out the top of my pistons.
Bullet pistons, scat rods, stock crank, all LP hardware everywhere.
Oh yeah, she's looking good. She's looking right, y'all.
Ready for you to be ugly to it.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do too, over time. I took the car to Street Car Takeover Charlotte, did some drag racing. On the way back, I'm thinking I missed a gear because it was real soon after that. I think it over revved, and I had almost 40,000 miles on the cam drop, so it had a few miles on it. But the plunger, part of the plunger cracked and broke off and went through the engine. We're getting super close to being running. We're probably looking at about a week-ish range, wouldn't you say? Something like that next week sometime.
Good,
yeah.
Get the long block back together, get the heads back on and everything.
Alright guys, so I know this is kind of a shorter video, but real quick I do also want to go over kind of the process of when I get it back. So Lord willing, it should be like a week-ish, probably next week this time. I should get the car back. I'm going to have to do a break-in period of like 500 miles, which is fine. Then after I get the clutch broke in and everything seated back in the engine, I'm taking it back up here. He's going to retune it. It's probably going to make a little bit less power than it did previously. So previously on the same exact dyno, it made 510 horsepower and 491 foot-pounds of torque. That was with a TIC stage 3 polluter cam, which is a little bit bigger than the one that's going back in. I am putting a blower cam back in it because the car is going to have a blower on it in the next few months. So it might be down, you know, a few horsepower there, but I'm gonna pick it up on the big end later, so that's okay. All right guys, also something else kind of cool. Since the car's already completely apart, as you can see, I mean, she is wide open. So since the car was already completely wide open, he had to install the stock clutch back in it anyway. The power goals I have in it here in the future, it would have been kind of dumb to not go ahead and put an aftermarket clutch in. So I picked up a McLeod RST twin disc clutch. Kind of show it to you here. Comes with the flywheel. Alright, so you can see I got a McLeod RST. This clutch is rated for 800 horsepower, which is that's probably where, when I get my blower, I'll start out at. I might go a little bit higher, 850, 900, but it should still be plenty capable of holding that. Again, I'm just super pumped, so excited. So excited. Everything's coming together. I know a lot of you watching this have been waiting to see the car back up and running. I've had people message me about it pretty often. So I'm happy to get everything back together, going again. Happy to make my fans happy. Happy to get back to the roots, which is yellow C6 craziness, going hard, trying to anyway. I know it's been a long time since I've really been able to post much of anything on YouTube. I've done a few reviews here and there, but I miss making my old content when I have my car. So this year is definitely gonna be a really good year. I'm super pumped. I'm just ready to drive my car again, guys. Yeah, again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps us more than you know. We're still a growing channel. Here recently, I hit over 1,000 subscribers, so that was a huge milestone. Looking to make that 2,000 though. Got to keep growing. thanks to everybody who watches. I really enjoy seeing y'all's feedback and people who comment on the videos, whether it be negative or positive. All of it's kind of entertaining. So, and until next time, peace.